$104 versus $144 on comparable listings. Is vertical sliding window exhaust fan worth moving on today?
On price alone, this is $104 versus roughly $144 on comparable listings, which still leaves room for value.
Is that value gap backed by enough examples, or should buyers take a longer look?
We are comparing against 24 similar active listings. So, this call is backed by meaningful data, and we are confident in the value case.
What real-world use case matters most here?
Who this is great for? This vertical sliding window exhaust fan is ideal for individuals seeking to improve indoor air quality by expelling stale air, smoke, and odors, especially in spaces with compatible vertical sliding windows.
One-sentence decision takeaway.
The value case is still strong, so this is a smart listing to review before pricing shifts.
$38 ask, $58 market. Pfister Briscoe 8-in widespread has a clear value gap right now.
Quick price check. $38 here compared with about $58 on comps, and that spread is still meaningful for shoppers.
How confident are we in that pricing call for someone shopping today?
We are comparing against 28 similar active listings, so this call is backed by meaningful data, and we are confident in the value case.
Give shoppers the practical angle in one line.
Who this is great for? This faucet is ideal for those seeking a stylish and functional upgrade for a 3-hole bathroom sink, featuring a modern brushed nickel finish and high arc spout.
Bottom line for today's viewer.
Pricing and evidence line up well here, so this one is worth a closer look while this value is still available.
$28 versus $40 on comparable listings. Is BWE Waterfall single-hole low arc worth moving on today?
On price alone, this is $28 versus roughly $40 on comparable listings, which still leaves room for value.
Is that value gap backed by enough examples, or should buyers take a longer look?
The evidence is strong here, with 29 comparable active listings, and we are confident this can be a great buy for the right shopper.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Here is the buyer context. This faucet is ideal for those looking to upgrade their bathroom with a stylish, low-arc design and a waterfall spout that provides a steady water stream.
One-sentence decision takeaway.
With this price gap and supporting comps, this looks like a worthwhile deal to check now if it matches what you need.